Okay, so one of the greatest things about traveling around the world is that you can, number one, everybody likes the same snacks. Popcorn is known around the world, for example, and I can adapt it everywhere I go. I take great pride in this. So, in Armenia, tonight I'm going to show you how to make Shashlik popcorn. For people outside of the former Soviet Union, Shashlik is like a barbecue. So, I will show you how.
Olive oil, butter, shashlik seasoning, salt, and of course, popcorn.
So, I will show you how. First, I'm going to turn on. Not that hot. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so something like this. Hopefully it will be okay. We're using a different pot right now. So this is my first time cooking popcorn in this little pot. I hope I don't burn the house down. So, alright. So I will just wait. And I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil too. Just a little bit, actually. Because I think I might have messed up because we have a small pot. Yeah, it's my first time. So, I'm just gonna wait for everything to get hot. Hoping that we don't have popcorn going to the ceiling. Well, okay, but we have to wait for it to get hot. I mean, okay, it's kind of hot. So, okay, so the popcorn, the butter and the olive oil is kind of hot. It's gonna get hotter. So, because we're popping popcorn in this smaller pot, we're only going to add a little bit. Oh my god, yeah, there's too much. It's so much, okay. So I will do like that, and just cover it, like that. And it's gonna get hot, eventually. I'm gonna put it here, because I make the hole here. I think that this pot is not exactly for this pan, but okay. But okay, the hole is here, so the steam will come out here. But the popcorn, it's gonna get hot, and it's gonna pop, pop, pop. So that's gonna be good. But I'm really worried about the size of the lid. So yeah, okay, we will just wait for the first pop, I guess. We're gonna wanna shake it sometimes. In this case, we have, do you see this? It has a string. Connecting the oven mitts. So what we will do, because we don't want to start a fire, because this is gas, it's not electric, so we're going to wrap this string around this top, and then we will shake it like this, but not shake the lid off. Okay, so yeah, you can hear the noise of sizzling. It loves very much to be shaked. So yeah, we will just wait. But the harder it sizzles, the sooner it's going to shake, the sooner we eat popcorn. So that's good. Okay, so when I hear the sizzling, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, what my friends actually taught me is you add the salt now, because salt doesn't burn. remember learning this in chemistry class, but okay. My friends, they have the grandmothers and the mothers who taught them everything, so I think it's gonna be okay. Okay, are you ready to vote? Because I actually love salt, so I hope I didn't add too much for my friends. Otherwise, I eat popcorn by myself. But hey, I'm gonna go ahead and shake it again. But first, I wrap it like my friend taught me, and shaky, shaky, nice and bicky. Maybe, I hope that the salt will go on other kernels because I shook it, so I hope it will be okay. And now we wait. More. But not too long, apparently. The salt has been added. We waited for a few more minutes. I'm gonna shake it again. And I hear a pop. And there's 1, 2, 3 kernels. Amazing. Wow, that's so cool. I actually love watching popcorn pop. Because I don't know how from this little tiny seed can something pop like that. It's actually quite a beautiful concept. It's no wonder that in the 1970s, like somebody made a song about popcorn popping, and it had the tune of popcorn popping, and it was very cool, very creative, but I cannot post it on YouTube because of copyright. So, oh my god, so yeah, because there is a hole here, because the lid doesn't fit, it's like it's going towards me. Yeah, wow. I hope we don't cause a grease fire. That would kind of suck. I'm getting hit by trees. This place is gonna blow up. But we have to add the shashlik. But probably not now. It's okay. And yeah, so just do it. So now we add the shashlik in this little hole we have. Yeah, we have to add it anywhere though, so. I hope it's gonna be okay because I want you to have big, oh, okay, wow, it sounds like it's perfect. Because, you know, when the popcorn slows down, that's how you know it's made. like, yeah, we need to turn it off now because, and shake it more now because we just added the shashlik. The star of the show was shashlik spice. Hopefully it's shaked up right now. But yeah. So yeah, it was actually perfect. It's not full, not overflowing. My first time cooking in a pot like this. And I actually got more butter than olive oil, so hopefully it will be good. So, alright. So let me taste test it. And you can also taste test it. So okay, just a little bit. Wow, it's actually pretty good. It really has a shashlik flavor this time. This is actually the better one of the shashlik we've done. So yeah, it's good. Do you want to taste this too?